Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Please, may I remind to everybody, today is April 13, 2024, and please submit all your number of days, transportation, and any overtime, if you have overtime, for the period of April 1 to 15. Please follow all the system. So may I remind to UCI, merchandisers, BT Consumers, Non-Food Division, Davao Amigo, Apollo Technology, The Astra Group, Sanitic, Geron Distribution. And please submit also your DTR on Monday in the evening. Please everyone, please be guided accordingly. Please, God bless everyone and happy weekends.